Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the device model and making a quick backup. This protects your data if anything fails. Once done, keep the iPad on charger and join a stable Wi-Fi network so the download won't drop. Make sure you have roughly 1 GB of free space, otherwise the installer can't unpack. Now open Settings, tap General, then Software Update, or prepare a computer with Finder/iTunes if you prefer a wired update. Start the download and wait calmly. When the update shows available, tap Download and Install and accept the terms. The device will fetch the files and verify them. If the over-the-air route stalls, connect the iPad to a computer and use Finder or iTunes to download and apply the update. This often handles limited storage better. During installation, the screen may go black and the Apple logo will appear. That's normal. Keep the iPad charging and avoid closing the app or disconnecting cables until the process. After the update completes, follow the quick setup prompts and sign into your Apple ID when asked. This restores settings and services. If the iPad won't boot or the update fails repeatedly, put it into recovery mode and connect to a computer to reinstall iOS. That usually resolves corrupted installs. One key troubleshooting tip: if an OTA install keeps failing, use the wired method and restore from the backup you made earlier. That recovers your apps and data without guesswork.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.